Here are the handlebar risers, 1 inch. If you're planning to buy 1.5 inch or 2 inch, then be careful about these cables. You may have to insert a longer cable or readjust all the cables here, so be careful. 1 inch wala is okay. You can without modification you can actually install. Sorry. So I bought 1 inch handlebar riser from LLUVIA. Cost is 1250 rupees excluding GST of 28%. Okay, so this must be 10 mm. The stock one you have to remove. Yep, you have to remove this. Oh, I don't know how it is already loose. This will be not of any use after you remove. Alright, in the next video I'll be installing pillion backrest and I'll share a video. Stay tuned for that. In this video I'll be installing only handlebar riser of 1 inch as mentioned, and you gotta remove that. Look at that. You can see the threading here. You have to follow that thread. You don't disturb the thread, okay? I mean, don't put it like this or right or left. Just keep it in line with the handlebar riser. Okay, so you have to raise the handlebar and put it below here. Just keep it here, both the risers, and then place the handlebar over that. All you have to be careful is about the position of your handlebar. You have to rotate it like this, okay? Otherwise this will go down. The clutch and the front brake lever, that will go down. You have to be careful about that. The position of the handlebar, you have to tilt as per your requirement. The thread is actually holding my handlebar from rotating. I'm trying to rotate inside, but due to that friction, it is not allowing me to rotate. Yes, this is actually practical problem. Alright, yep, just keep in line. The thread should not be disturbed. Now I think my handlebar is okay. The position of the levers, I feel it is okay. And then you need one Allen key of 6 mm. The top mount of the handlebar goes back, and then this is what we have received from LLUVIA along with the handlebar risers. It will go like this. You can actually tight a bit and then again adjust the handlebar position if you want. It's better to sit and check. I'll just tighten it a bit and then I'll remove the center stand. Then I'll sit on the vehicle. Then I'll check so that it will be more comfortable. Slowly. Okay. Yes. Well, I'll have to adjust my mirror also. Well, okay. और थोड़ा ऊपर उठाने का. Yeah. Okay. Yep. That will be okay. Ply of cable is okay. Yes, no problem. So I'll adjust back my mirror. Pretty good. And then the thread I have to check again. Thread is okay. It is in line with the stock exactly, so I'll just tighten it vertically as much as possible and then horizontally. I always carry this Allen key. I mean, there are some other parts where this can be used, so I usually keep it in that toolkit what Yamaha had given along with the bike. In the same toolkit I carry this Allen key, so my handlebar is raised 1 inch. Okay, so that's it. In the next video I will be installing backrest, and I'll share with you guys if there is any problem, and I'll share with you the video how we have to install it. There are actually 5 screws. I'll show you how to install. There is actually backrest base plate also, so that we have to install. We have to actually remove this plastic cover, the Yamaha logo cover, plastic cover. They have actually given one metallic cover which will come here. We have to remove this also. So I'll show you installation in the next video. Stay tuned. Do not miss that video in case if you are planning to install pillion backrest. Okay, back to home.